Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to create a server in Discord on PC. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Okay, so first you would open Discord. So this should be the main page for your Discord. You would to create the server, you would click on the plus icon at the bottom over here, at the top over here. Click on it. So you can create your own server or you can start from a template. I would create my own server in this video. So it would ask you either for a club or for me and my friends, or you can skip the question. I would just say for me and my friends, and then you would name your server, and this is your new server. So in this server, you can actually customize your own server with icons, invite your friends, and yeah, do a lot of things in this server. So this is how you add and create a server in Discord. Thank you.